This is the seating area here at Seoul on the beach. Very, very busy with customers here. Also have music there, the guy on the guitar. I'm very busy outside here. I'll just show you the happy hour specials also. There's a full area inside Byrd House. There's the name there, Byrd House. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So this evening I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali. I'm here down at the Sindhu beach area here in Sanur, and what I'm going to feature this evening is a walking tour along Sindhu beach. So featured in tonight's walking tour, I'm going to walk along a small section here at Sindhu beach area. I'm going to start the Sindhu beach sign at the end of the Jalan Pantai Sindhu street that leads down to the beach. I'm going to first of all turn right and walk along the track there, taking in a collection of warungs on the beach here in the Sindhu area, also some nice restaurants. I shall walk all the way through to a restaurant called Moreno and show you everything along that section turning right. Then I'm going to come back to the Pantai Sindhu sign and I'm going to turn left and head all the way down to a place called the Byrd House, taking in all the restaurants and things along the way in that direction also. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a night walk here at Sindhu beach. Okay, so this is the start point for tonight's video. This is the motorbike parking area here at the Sindhu beach sign. Just behind these motorbikes in front of me is the Pantai Sindhu beach sign. Just in the bright lights there, otherwise known as Sindhu beach. It's 8 p.m. of an evening, so you can turn right or left in this once you get to the Sindhu beach sign. We're going to turn right first of all, head in this direction and just show you some local warungs restaurants in this direction first of all, and then we'll turn left after that. So we're just coming onto the footpath now. So just first on the right hand side here is going to be the Turtle Conservation Centre. There's a big turtle there. There's the Turtle Conservation Centre building. So just inside there's lots of tanks with turtles in there. It's just a donation for you to go and view the turtles. And then now we're coming up to a collection of local warungs. This first one's called Amphibia. There's a collection of seating there just on the beach. Many different seafoods and things available here at Amphibia. All the local warungs in the back there. I think some are packed up because it's Balinese holiday. This would normally be busy here. And then just next along the line here now we're coming along to the Inner Sindhu Hotel, that's in the back there. So it also has a restaurant just by the pathway there in the back. There's only 2 customers I see. Also have a seating area outside here. Lots of copyright music, we're going to get in trouble. And we just keep walking along the path here now. Next in line is going to be a place called Seoul on the beach. I'm going to cut in first of all to the right and show you the Seoul on the beach name and the inside restaurant, and then I'm going to come back out and show you the beach seating area. So there's the name, Seoul on the beach. There's a beautiful inside seating area here at Seoul on the beach. It's got this fabulous sign here. Love Bali, I'm never coming home. And then we'll just go around here and we'll take you in. And this is the seating area here at Seoul on the beach. Very, very busy with customers here. Many customers sat in there. It's a very popular restaurant, this. Has another branch also here in Jalandanaposo in Sanur. And that's Soul on the Beach. Okay, we'll just continue walking along now. Next in line to Soul on the Beach is a place called Kayumanis. I've just featured the Kayumanis villas in a video recently published. This is the Kayumanis in the back here. It's the inside bar and seating area in the back there. And then this is the Kayumanis outside seating area. There's a few customers sat outside there at the Kayumanis. Also have music there, the guy on the guitar. And just to show you the name there it is, Kayumanis Seaside Sanur. Beautiful looking place this. Just to the right here we have a tour booking service, and then this is going to be the last place I'm going to feature in the video now. Next along the line is a place called Moreno. Just on the side here we have a place called Udin Shop, selling all your sandals, sunglasses, watches, etc. all available from Udin Shop. And then just before we go, I'll just show you this. All day feel good dining by the beach, open daily 7:30 till 10 p.m. There's the name there, Moreno. It's a beautiful inside seating area here at Moreno. There's your counter in the back also. And then Moreno's very, very popular and very busy outside here. I'll just show you the happy hour specials also. There's many customers there at Moreno. Just next door to Moreno we have the Sindhu Beach night market, or Sindhu Beach market. However, that's closed because we're at 8 p.m, past 8 p.m. now. That's just in the back there. And then there's nothing really now further in that direction. Okay, so I'm just back at the Pantai Sindhu sign now after turning right and showing you the restaurants in that direction, just in this Sindhu Beach area. Now we're going to head left. We'll just get back onto the track here. So just back on the track now, the first one on the right, this is Luhtu's, I think it's calf. Has an outside seating area here, just on the beach. A few customers here. Luhtu's cafe is actually in the back there. Also has an inside seating area. And another restaurant here, or warung, currently has no name up there. Oh, here's the name. Warung Caretta. There's this funky looking turtle, and then there's some seating, some people sat in there just on the seating. Next we have Tootsie Bar and Restaurant. There's no one inside Tootsie. No one seems to sit inside at these restaurants. But outside there's a few customers in the seats outside here at Tootsie. Hello, good evening, how are you? There's the customers there. Next along the line is a very impressive Byrd house. This is probably the most impressive sort of beach restaurant bar area here in Sanur. Has a coffee shop. This is a coffee shop here in the glass windows and inside. Lights lit up in the grass here. Beautiful area inside Byrd house. There's the name there, Byrd house. This very impressive outside seating area also. just show you inside the Byrd house now. We have this beautiful, impressive seating area in here. There's quite a few customers inside there. There's many customers inside the Byrd house in the back there. Just walk down to the end here just to give you another full view and angle on the Byrd house. Okay, so that concludes this evening's walking tour here at the Sindhu beach area here in Sanur. As the camera's showing you in the video, you've got a nice collection of restaurants, some local warungs. Some of the local warungs were shut this evening due to a Balinese holiday here. It's normally a lot more vibrant at that warung section that I walked past in the video. There was just the one place open. There's normally multiple warungs there. However, you've got a great collection of restaurants and warungs at this section of Sindhu beach area. So hope you've enjoyed tonight's video. Hope this has given you a good perspective of what's available in this Sindhu beach area here at Sanur, and I shall say bye for now.